listos los perros. Saludos.
Vamos a la cacería a ver qué hay.
A ver qué matamos. Bueno, ahí va el Coco y Lolo. Ahí va mi papá adentro del Walmart. A ver si encuentran unos tiros. Pero ahí van los perros, ahí vamos a alistarnos. ¿Verdad? ¿Verdad, Coco y Lolo? Les saludos a todos. Bueno, ahí va mi papá saliendo del Walmart. Ya salió con los tiros. Vamos a tirar con estos Winchester Super X y luego hay Federal. Son de 7.5. Ahí va la arma también. Saludos. A las vacas, qué guilotal. Ah, mira las guilotas. Como unos 100, ¿no? Qué guilotal. Chula, no. Menos pueden 20.
I want win.
Lolo. Lolo. Here. Come on. Good boy. Here.
Oh. Oh. Dang.
Pepper. Búscalo, búscalo. Pepper.
Yeah.
There's someone right here. Hey, shh, Pepper.
Dang it, that would have been easy. Oh, dang. Oh.
Mira la otra.
No, too late.
This fucker's crazy.
Blew my drink. That dude's coming. That dude's coming. That dude's coming above you. Above you. Dude, you got hit. You shooting like what? Yeah. Dang.
Oh, those over there. Ya, sí la miré.
This smells really
Ese va a
weird.
ser nuevo.
Over there, so cows. If you don't know what that is in Spanish. Shoot him. Oh. It's gone. I can't even see it on camera. Okay, let's go. It is. Lolo already went over there. It's in the tree, it's in the tree. Papa, it's in the tree. You guys didn't know there's one in the trees?
Huh?
Oh wait, you guys have been on this too. Oh, and gone. Yeah, we got some hunting dogs with us right now. Oh, and it's coming over. Oh. And they flew.
Just keep recording. He comes over here. Okay.
Alright. He's behind me. Oh, one above you, one above you.
Man, I had my freaking gun unsafe. 2 or 3 more clips.
Look at that boy. Look at. No.
It's okay.
I didn't know it. Facing it straight. Do you guys see that stuff? See this stuff? Oh, dang! Yeah. Did you guys see that? I don't know. I wasn't even watching the video. Filming straight. Dude, you high jump. Right there is dope. Oh shoot, I did not even see that. What the heck? Where'd he go?
He flew that way. Did you record me?
Shoot, but I didn't see the thing.
Just try to record that.
Bro.
Good girl, Coco. ¿Se metió el Lolo también?
No, ese güey es más comillón.
Coco. Here. Hi. Hi, mamas. Good job today. You did really good. Yeah. A ver cómo nos va la tarde. Saludos a todos.
Ahí va bien, pintando.
Bueno, Alex, ¿quieres saludar a alguien? Do you want to say hi to someone?
Saludos, cazadores Cervantes. Aquí andamos, cazadores.
Puros cazadores Cervantes.
Saludos, aquí andamos en Nevada.
Ajá.
Faltan los de California. A lo mejor para esta semana vamos para allá, para California.
Yep. A ver si hacemos otros videos de cacería de puercos también. Y también es la temporada allá de Huilota también en California. Pero ahí van unas a ver si nos toca aquí en la tarde. Like I said, guys, we're gonna see in the afternoon. I'll see if we do any good. But yeah, my dad has 9 and I have 5 right here. No.
Coco, tape.
And Coco, she wants to get the bird, but she can't. She's learning, but yeah.
Ahí va.
Perfect.